At the SI Institute, we provide you with a challenging, engaging implant course. You will be trained on how to properly place implants in your dental practice immediately following the course. We show you all of the latest techniques, products, and solutions to ensure a smooth transition of implant dentistry into your practice. Our rigorous instruction techniques are guaranteed to help maximize your profit while maintaining your original service quality. By the end of the course, we make sure that every student is comfortable with placing implants in and out of the classroom setting. We provide a community of like-minded practitioners that are not only supportive, but eager to coach and provide constructive criticism at all times through the course. Our residency-like course spans over 4 days and not only consists of lectures in the classroom, but real-life opportunities to implement your newfound skills on live patients. Anything that's worth it doesn't come easy, and this course is no exception. We are going to place you in stressful situations that will test the aptitude of even the most skilled dentist. These situations will push your skills to the limit. We will help you build the confidence needed to begin placing implants in your own practice. By the time you leave SI Institute, you will be an expert at placing implants on patients. On average, a student places over 10 implants per class. We even include cutting-edge stem cell placement and bone grafting techniques in the class. Choosing SI Institute is a wise investment to make in your dentistry career. Our exemplary curriculum is designed to maximize your time here with us and provide as much hands-on time as possible. We hope that you choose SI Institute for your future implant certification needs.